This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we'll be starting another very important disease concept, that is the Pandu Roga. See, after in Charaka Samhita, after the Grahani Roga, Pandu Roga is explained, because both have the Pitta Pradhana Vyadhis, and this Pandu Roga is very important for your understanding of the disease. So whatever things explained in Nidhanasthana, 8 concepts of disease, but this is a totally a different concept about the understanding of the disease. Okay, and it is most important for the treatmental aspect, because we see many cases of the Pandu, Kamala, etc. Okay, for that this concept of Pandu Roga is very important. Okay. Uh, See, what is Pandu? Before going to the Pandu Roga, we see about what is the meaning of the Pandu. Okay, see, Pandu means it is Pita Varna. Okay, I think in Mahabharata you might have heard about the Pandu Raja. Okay, Pandu Raja and the Kuru. Okay, from the Pandu Raja there were the Pandavas, and from the Kuru there are the Kauravas. Okay. Pandu means that Raja has become Pita Varna. He has become totally anemic. For that only he is called as the Pandu. See, Pandu means Pitaha Bhagarthaha. Means he will look like the anemic. Okay. So it is the this naming of the disease is depending on its the appearance or its on its lakshan. For that only it is called as Pandu Roga. Okay, so in this condition, person will look like Pita Varnata, so anemic. Okay, I think in general examination I had shown the different pictures of the enemy. Okay, the same anemic appearance, pale appearance is seen in Pandu Roga, and that is the Pandu Varna or Pita Varna. And there is a one simile is given, that is Ketaki Duli Sannibaha. Okay, so Ketaki means a flower. It's Duli Sannibaha. Okay, so it is one of the simile given for the Pandu appearance. And a very important thing about the Pandu is it is Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi and Rasa Pradoshaja road. Okay, see, most of the time Pandu will compare with the anemia, which is one of the hematological disorder. But here it is not compared with the Rakta. Okay, Pandu is Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi, but Rasa Pradoshaja Vikara, not the Rakta Pradoshaja Vikara. Okay, why here it is the Rasa Pradoshaja, why not it is Rakta Pradoshaja? We'll give the explanation afterwards. Okay, but Kamala is Pitta Pradhana, but Rakta Pradoshaja Vikara. So this is a major difference between the Pandu and the Kamala. Okay. Pandu is Rasa Pradoshaja, Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi. So why it is called as Rasa Pradoshaja? Okay, see here it comes, that is Tata Apiha Raktakshayo Raktaposhaka Rasasya Pittena Sapanat Raktaposhaka Sarabhaga Anutpadanascha. Okay. A very important concept. Why it is called as Rasa Pradoshaja Vyadhi rather than the Rakta Pradoshaja Vyadhi? It is Rasa Pradoshaja because in this Raktakshay will occur. But why it will occur? It will occur because of Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga Anutpadanat. So there will not be the production of Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga from the Rasa. Okay. I think all of you know about Dhatu Utpatti. Okay, see, from the Rasa, it will be the Rakta, from the Rakta to the Mamsa, like this. Okay, see, Rasa will make the portion of Rakta, Rakta will make the portion of Mamsa, Mamsa will make the portion of Meda, Asti, Majja, Chukra. Okay, in this pattern, when the Rasa is not producing the Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga, it is not producing something which will nourish us the Rakta. Okay, the Rasa's function is, one of the main function is, it has to nourish or make the production of the Rakta. Okay, So when there is an production is not there, Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga is not producing, then there will be the Rakta Kshaya. Okay, so Rakta Poshan will not occur and it will lead to the Rakta Kshaya and there will be the Pandu. Okay, for that only it is called as Pitta Pradhana Rasa Pradusha Javadi rather than Rakta Pradusha Javadi. Rakta Kshaya will be there, but the reason for Rakta Kshaya is not Rakta, it is the Rasa. Rasa will not functioning well. Rasa is not producing the Rakta Poshaka Bhaga, so that it is leading for Rakta Kshaya. Okay. All of you understood? Say yes or no. You can unmute and
Yes.
tell. Yes? Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go to the next concept of the Pandu, that is Pandu Nidana. See, already I told that Pandu Roga is one of the Pitta Pradhana Veda. Okay, if you see the Nidanas also, these all the Nidanas are Pitta Prakopa Nidanas. Okay, Pittakara Nidanas. That is the Chara, Amla, Lavana, Ati Ushna, etc. Then Mishpava, Masha, Pinya, Katila, Taila, etc. Then if the person does the Divasopna, Ati Vyayama, Maituna after Vidagdana, okay, and if he does the Chinta, Bhaya, Krodha, etc., then it will lead to the Pitta Prakopa. Okay, see, I am telling not the Pitta Ruddhi, it is just Pitta Doshana, it is Pitta Prakopa or Pitta Pradushaja. Okay, why I am telling Pitta Pradushaja, I will tell in the Samprapti. Okay, so it is just Pitta Doshana will occur due to these Nidanas. All are Pitta Prakopakara Nidanas. So you can classify these Nidanas into something as the Aharaja, Viharaja, and the Manasika. Okay, so Aharaja is Kshara, Amla, Lavana, etc. Okay, if you take these all the things, there will be the Pitta Prakopa. Pitta Dushti will be there. If he does the Divasapna, Avyayama, Maituna after the Vidagdajina, that also will lead for the Pitta Dushti. Or if you do the Kama, Chinta, Bhaya, Krodha, etc., then also it will lead to the Pitta Dushti. Not so much of particular, we can just classify into Aharaja, Viharaja, and the Manasika Nidanas, which are Pitta Dushti Karanas. Now coming to the Panduroga Samprapti. See, Panduroga Samprapti is a very interesting concept. We can make three type of Samprapti for the Panduroga. Okay, so I will teach you the two different understanding of the Panduroga Samprapti. Both are same, but it is somewhat different understanding how the Pandu will be produced. Okay, see, he will tell that doshaha pitta pradhanastu yasya kuppyanti dhatushu. Okay, so it is due to the pitta pradhana. So first is the pitta dushti will be there, that will make the kuppyanti dhatushu. It will make the kopana of the dhatu. Shaitilyam tasya dhatunam gauravam cha upajayate, and makes the dhatu shitilata. Okay, so dhatu shitilata will occur due to this pitta pradhana, this pitta dushti. Okay, and it will also lead for varna, bala, sneha, and ojo bhasa. Okay, very important. So think that pitta will making varnahasa, balahasa, sneha, and the ojo. This will become kshaya due to the dosha dusha pradushana. Okay, see, so pitta will make the dhatu prakopa and shaitilyat and makes the varna bala sneha and ojo hasa. Okay, then leading to स अल्परक्तता अल्पमेधस्कता निस्सारः शिथिलेन्द्रियः वैवर्ण्यं भजते तस्यं हेतुः शृणु स लक्षणम्. So we'll go to the lakshana afterwards. So before that we'll see the flow charts. Okay, see, all, if the person takes all the pittaja nidanas, then it will lead to the pitta dushti. Okay, so pitta dushti will occur and this will make the dhatu shitilata. Okay, so there will be the derangements in the production of the dhatu. Here the dhatu means it is purely the rakta dhatu. Okay, so rakta dhatu derangement will occur, leading to varna, bala, sneha and ojo kshaya. Okay, so varna kshaya, you can see it as a lakshana of the Pandu. Person's varna will be reduces, he will become very pale. His original varna will reduces, that is the varnakshaya. Here some persons will interpret that the varna of the rakta. Rakta means, rakta is, color is red, that redness will decreases, it will turn into the pale. Okay, the same thing we will see in the different anemias. So anemia is the pale appearance, it is appearance externally and internally also. If you see the RBCs, its hemoglobin level will be decreased. That is the Varna Kshaya. Varna Kshaya, Balakshaya, Sneha Kshaya. Balakshaya, person will become exhausted. Sneha Kshaya, person will become very lean. And person's Ojokshaya will also be seen. Okay, and leading for Panduroga. So this is the first Samprapta. Okay, so Pittaja Nidana Sevana leading to the Pitta Dushti, leading to the Dhatu Shaitilya, and leading for Varna Bala Sneha and Ojokshaya, leading for Pandu Roga. Okay, is it understood? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, so there is the in the same shloka there is still extended concept of Samprapti, that is Samuddiranam Yadha Pittam Hrudaye Samavasthitam Vayunam Balinam Kshipram Sappamyam Tamad Damani Darshan. See, here there is another understanding of the Pandutpatti, Panduroga Utpatti, that is Pitta Dushti will be there, where Pitta which is residing in the Hrudaya. Okay, that is Hrudaya is the Pitta Sthana. Okay, so Hrudaya is giving the shelter for the Pitta. So the Pitta will vitiates in the Hrudaya. In this Pitta, Vayunam Balinam Kshipram. So vitiated Pitta will be taken out from the Hrudaya. Hrudaya means it is not the actually heart. Okay, so it is the production. Hrudaya is the production of the Rakta. Okay, see, Vayunam Balinam Kshipram. Okay, so this Pitta will be taken out from by the Vata, where to the Damani. So it will take to the Damanis and makes the Sthana Samchaya in Tvak Mamsa Samashritam. Okay, so this Pitta will be taken to the Tvak and Mamsa. Okay, so this Pitta will be taken to the Tvak and Mamsa by the Vata and leading for Kapha, Vata, Asuk, Mamsani. Tvak Mamsani, and makes the Visheshan of Kapha, Vata, Tvak and Mamsa. So in this Samprapti, there will be the Kapha, Vata, Asruk, Tvak, Mamsa will be involved. Okay. And leading for the Pandu, Harita Varnam. Okay, so you just take that Pandu Varna. Why he has told Harita Varna, it is concept of Kamala. Okay, it will leading for Pandu Varna, that is Bahuvida Tvachi. Okay, so Tvacha will become Pandu Varna. Tvacha will become pale. For that only it is called as Pandu Roga. Okay, so you will see the flow chart, you will understand it easily. So always there will be the Pittaja Nidana will be there. So Pitta which is residing in the Hridaya will be taken out from the Vata. Okay, so Vata will take out the Pitta and makes the sthana samshaya in Twak Mamsa. Okay. And leads for the Twak Mamsa Rakta Dagdva and makes the Rakta Dushti leading for different colors. Okay, so you want to know that why this color has happened. For that only is giving this samprapti. So Twak Varnata will be changes to the Pandu. Then it is called as Pandu Roga. Okay, so this is the another concepts. Okay, is it understood? Say yes or no.
Sir, please explain this Bahuvidyam Stvachi.
Bhavadam. See, see, it has the pitta has pitta has taken out from the Rudaya by Vata. Okay, then it will take it to the Twak and Mamsa. Okay, it will go and settles down at the Twak and Mamsa. Okay. So when it will takes the sthana samchaya at the Twak, it will hampers its varna. Okay, so Twak varna will be changes to the Pita varna. Okay, here he has given Bahuvida. Okay, so why this is Bahuvida he has given, because it is the Pandu Roga, Pandu, Kamala, and Halimaka. Okay, all are explained at a time. So this is also helpful for the Kamala Samprapti. Okay, so you can see that first is Pandu, Haridra, Harita. Okay, so Haridra and Harita is for the Kamala and the Halimakas. So just Pandu. Here he is telling Bahuvidam Stuch. That means different colors will occur. Here you take the only one color, that is the Pandu Varna. Okay, Pandu Varna will occur at the Tocha, then leading for the Pandu Roga. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? So in Pandu Samprapti, I think we discussed the three concepts. One is why it is Rakta Pradoshaja Vyadhi. Second one is why it is, what is the role of Bala, Oja, Sneha, Kshaya and Varnakshaya. The third one is why there will be the Pandu Varnata. Okay, so there will be the Sthana Samshaya of Pitta in Twak and Mamsa leading for Pandu Varnata. Okay, so next we will go for the Purva Rupas. Purva Rupa of the Pandu. Okay. See, both the first loka is from Charaka Samhita, second one is from the Shushruta Samhita. Okay. Anybody has visited the East?
Sir, sir, it's not audible.
Okay, is it audible now again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. There was some technical problem. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we are at the Puro Rupa. So we started about the Puro Rupa. So in the Puro Rupa, I think I was telling that the first one is from the Charaka Samhita and second shloka is from the Shushruta Samhita. See, so what will tells is Tasya Lingam Bhavishyatihi. That means in the future, the person will have the lakshanas of Hridaya Spandanam, Rauksha, Swedabhadaha, Shamastata. See, very interestingly, he is telling these all the things you can see in present also. Presently, the people will see the palpitation. Okay. See, the first is Hridaya Spandanam. Hridaya Spandana means the palpitation. So when the person is having the severe anemia, see, even though Pururupas given nowadays, these all are seen at the later stages of the anemias. Okay. See, so in Panduroga, person will have, before the Panduroga, person will have the Hridaya Spandana, Rauksha, Swedabhadaha, and Shama. Why there will be the Hridaya Spandana? Because Raktakshaya is there, person will become anemic, the body has the more demand for the oxygen, but the HB is low, so that for compensation, the heart has to beat more. Then the person will have the Hridaya Spandanam. Skin will be the Rokshata as the Sneha is lost. Okay, so in the Samprapti you had seen that Sneha Kshaya will be there, person will have the Rokshata. Sweda Badaha. So Sneha is lost, the same thing, Sweda Abhava will be there, and Shama. Person will feel exhaustion. Okay, person will feel the exhaustion because Balakshaya is there. Okay, Bala, Mamsakshaya, then Snehakshaya, Ojakshaya will be there. For that only, the person will be having these Lakshanas in the Pura Rupa only. According to Shusha also, Tvaksputanam. See, before the Panduvaranata, there may be the Tvaksputanam that will show that there is an Vataruddhi and there is an the person will go for the pond. And person, this is a very unique observation, that is Mrutbhakshanam. Uh, the types of Pandu are Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja, and Mrutbhakshana Janya Pandu, according to Charak. See, here it very clearly, according to Charaka, Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja, and Mrutbhakshana Janya Pandu are types. But according to Shushruta, Mrutbhakshana is one of the Purva Rupa of the Pandu. Okay, see, the persons will eat the mud in the Purva Rupa of Pandu. Okay, Prekshanam Kotashutaha. Kotashuta means Shuna Akshikuta. Okay, Akshi means, so the eyeball, okay, orbital swelling. It's called as orbital swelling can be seen in the Purva Rupa of the Pandu. Vinmutra Pitta, etc. is seen as a Purva Rupa of the Pandu. Okay, see, these are the list of Purva Rupas from the shlokas. That is the Hridaya Spandanam, Roksha, Hridaya Spandana, because person has the Raktakshaya is there, Rokshata because Snehakshaya is there, Swedabha because of the Snehakshaya, Shama because of Balakshaya, Toksputana, Stivana Gatra Sada, Mutbhakshana, then Akshikuta Shota, and Mutra and Purusha will become Pitavaranta. So these are some Pura Rupas of Pan. Is it okay? So understood? Pura Rupa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
See, next, coming to the Lakshanas. Samanya Lakshana of Samanya Lakshana of the Panduroga. Okay, so before going to this shloka, so I have one shloka here. Okay, so last two shlokas. See, very, very important. I had missed it to make it to the slide. Sa alparaktata, alpamedaskata, nissaraha, shitilendriyam, vaivarnam, bhajate, tasya hetuhu shunu, sa lakshanam. Okay, after the samprapti only he has given the lakshanas. Okay. Sa alparaktata, alpamedaskata, nissaraha, shitilendriyam, vaivarnam, bhajate, tasyam hetuhu shunu, sa lakshanam. See, he will give a very important samanya lakshana of the Panduroga. What are those? First one, sa alparaktata. Person will have alparakta. Okay, so all the raktakshaya lakshana can be seen in the Panduroga. Second one, why the alparaktata? Because there is an rakta poshaka sara bhaga is anutpadana. Okay. Second one, alpameda. Okay, already we told that there will be the sneha kshay. Okay, so in the slide you can see that sneha kshay. For that only person will have made the alpa medaska. Next, nisaraha. Okay, nisara means here sara, ashto sara, all the sara, rasa sara, then rakta sara. The dhatu sarata is lost because of bala and ojokshay. Okay. When there is an oja and balakshay is there, person's dhatu sarata will be lost. Okay. Next is shitila indriya. Okay, so indriyas will not function very well. Okay, which indriya I will tell in the next line. That is the karnakshveda ata anila. See, shitilendriya means his indriyas. Okay, he can't see properly, he can't hear properly, his taste buds are lost. Okay, so those all panchendriyas will not work properly. Next is very, very important, that is the Pandu Pratatma Lakshana, that is the Vaivarnata. Pandu Vaivarnata. Vaivarnata means here the Pandu Vaivarnata. Person will become pale. That is Vaivarnam Bhajati. Tasya Hetu Shunu Salakshana. So what are those? Alparaktata, Alpamedaskata, Nissaraha, Shitilendriya. Last one is Vaivarnam Bhajati. Okay, so Alparakta, Alpamedaska, Nissaraha, Shitilendriha, Vaivarna. So these five are the cardinal features of the Pandu. Okay, without these things you can't diagnose the person is became Pandurogi. Okay, so next we'll see the in detail about the Lakshanas. Okay, so in detail about the Lakshanas is Sambhute Asmin Bhavate Sarvaha Karnakshvedi Hata Analaha. Okay, Karnakshveda. Okay. Karnakshveda means it is the tinnitus. Okay. Still in modern science also, if the person is become anemic, he will have the tinnitus. Tinnitus means what? Tinnitus means there will be some sounds. Sound will be there in the ear. Okay, so without any external stimulus, person will hear some sound that is called as Karnakshveda. Hatha Anala, not Anila. Hatha Analaha. Anala means Agni. So Agni is not working properly. Okay. Next is Durbala, Sadhano, Annad Vit. So will not eat properly. Person will have the Shama, Brahma Nipidita. Okay. So always person will feel the exhaustion. Okay. Even he will do some work, or if he is not doing also work, he will feel the exhaustion. That is called as Shama. Okay. For that only, if the person has become anemic, he can't walk for more, or he can't climb the steps. Okay, so that is because of the shram. Okay, see here you can see the list. Karnakshveda, tinnitus in the ear, Hatha Analaha, Agni will be lost. Agni will be lost. Durbala. Then Shrama Brahma Nipiditaha. Okay, person will become Shrama. Okay, person will be exhausted. Jwara Shwak. Okay, so when the person will become anemic, he will capture, the main thing is, he will capture the infections. For that only, the person will have the systemic disease like the Jwara and the Shwas. Gaurava Aruchi, and very important, person will feel the pain. The pain is like the mruditai raiva gatrascha pindito matitai raiva. Okay, so different type of pain. So person will feel the pain, that is called as mrudita, pindita, etc. are seen as the pain in the patient of the Pandu. Okay, then Shuna Akshikuta Shota. Okay. See, the same shloka, I had divided it into the points. Shuna Akshikuta Shota. See, so this is a very important observation where the person will feel, or person will show the orbital swelling. Okay. Periorbital swelling, it is called a periorbital swelling. So eyeball, so around the eyeball there will be the Shota will be there. That is called as Akshikuta Shota. Okay. Then Haritaha. So Harita is seen in very later stages of the Pandu. Person will have the Shirna Lomaha. Okay. So when the person will become anemic, his hair follicle will be lost. Hataprabha. The Prabha will be lost. Okay. When the person will become anemic, his Prabha will be lost. Kopanam. Shishiradveshi. Okay. Very important observation. We will have the aversion towards the Shishira. Okay. Nidralu, then Stivano, Alpavak. So Alpavak means, so person will speak very less, and there are again Pindikodveshana, etc. The different type of pains can be seen in the persons of the Pandurudi. Okay. Most of the patients, we can see these all the lakshanas. Okay. If the severe anemic patient comes, you can note down these all the lakshanas. Okay. So if any patient comes, you can see the anemia. You can see that person is became exhausted with the work. Okay. Person can't do the work. Person will have the palpitation. Person will have some tinnitus in the sound, in the ear, and he will have the different type of pain in the bone. Okay. So these are the lakshanas of the Pandu. Okay. So is it clear? So any doubt? Any doubt in the lakshana? Is you understood Puraropa and the lakshanas? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we'll see the Veda of Panduroga, or types of Panduroga. Okay. So I will not go very in detail about all these types. Okay. I'll just tell that what are the types. So in the tomorrow class we may have the class on this. Okay. See. So according to the Charaka, 5 types, that is Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja, and Mrutbhakshana Janya Pandu. Okay, so these are the 5 types of the Pandu. Okay, so we'll see only the some lakshanas of each one, that is the Vataja Pandu. Okay, if the person is of the Vataja Pandu, person will have the Angamardha Ruja. He will be having all the cardinal features of the Pandu. With that, he will be having, it is the Shula Pradhana. Person will have the Shula Pradhana Pandu Roga. Okay, person's Varchaha Shosha. Okay, person will become very emaciated, etc. And Balakshaya is seen in Vataja Pandu Lakshanas. So Pittaja Pandu is a very important. Okay, see, Pittaja Pandu is, why it is important, because already Pandu is Pitta Pradhana. Okay, there is an Alparaktata. and this Pittaja Pandu will lead to the Kamala. Okay, see, all the Pandus will lead for the Kamala, but in particularly Pittaja Pandu is a very very important factor to lead for the Kamala. Okay. For that only, see that what are the Lakshanas of Pittaja Pandu. So in Pittaja Pandu, person will become Pito, Harita, Bova, Jwara, Daha, Samanvita. Person will become severely pale. Pale is there. Already in Panduvarna, person will be the Pita Varnata. Again, he has given Pita. As it is Pittaja, person will become severely pale. Then person may have the Jwara, etc. Then person will have the Trishna, Murcha, Pipasa. Then even Motra and Shakrut will become Pita Varnata. Person will have the Shita Kamaha, etc. are the Lakshanas of Pittaja Pandu. Okay, I will go very in detail about these things. Next is Shleshmaja Pandu. So in Kafaja Pandu, person will be having all the Lakshanas of the Pandu Samanya Lakshanas with Gaurava, Tandra, Chardihi. And here he tells that Shweta Basaha. It will look like white. Okay, see, there's a lot of difference between white and the pale. Okay, I think I had told in examination of the pallor. Okay, so pallor is not white, pallor is pale. Okay, so person will become pale, but in Shleshmaya Pandu, with the pale person will look like white. Shweta Abhasa. Okay, Shweta Abhasa, he will look like Shweta Varnata. So even his Mutra and Purusha will also become white, that is the Shukla Varnata. Okay, Shota will be seen in more. Okay, so there are some types of anemias where the persons will have the swelling. So I told periorbital swelling, that is a Kutakshi Shota. Similarly, he may have the pedal edema, etc. Okay, Shwayatu or Shota is seen in the Shleshmaja Pandu. Okay, and in Sannipataja, all the mixed Lakshanas are seen. And the last one is very very important. For this only I had taken these Vedas. See, Mrut Bhakshana Janya Pandu. See, when the person eat the mud, okay, so there are some people, they will eat the mud. Okay, so when they will eat the mud, it will lead for the Pandu Varnata or Pandu Roga. Why? So there are different type of Mrut. Okay, and if I return the mud, you might have noticed that it will also have the taste of the mud. Kashaya is there, Pita is there, and Mudra is there. Some mud will be sweet, some mud will be some pungent, some will be very bitter taste. Okay, so depending on the taste also, Vataja Mrutbhakshana, Pittaja Mrutbhakshana, and Kafaja Mrutbhakshana is there. That will not go very in detail. See, why this Mrutbhakshana or eating the mud will lead to the Pandu? How? For that he has given the Samprapti. Okay, he has given a very clear Samprapti for Mrutbhakshana Janya Pandu. Okay. So when the it will make the Srotamsi Nirunadati. Okay, it will obstruct the Srotasis. Okay, so it is a totally different Samprapti for Mukbhakshana. Okay, see, so when the person will eat the mud, it will make the Sroto Avarodha. Okay, it will make the Sroto Avarodha and leading for Indriyanam Balam Atva Tejo Virya Ojasi Tata Pandurogam Karat Ashuhu Balavarna Agni Nashanam. Okay, the person will eat the mud, it will make the Agnikshaya and makes the Bala Varna Kshaya also. Agninasha is the first one, then it will make the Sroto Avarodaha, person will have the Shuna Gandakshi Kuta Brew. That's only I am telling, it is the periorbital swelling. Okay, Akshikuta, Shota can be seen. And very important, if the person eats the mud, what will happen? Krimi kostam, ati saret. Okay, person will have the krimi kosta. So there will be the krimis will occur in the costa. Okay, intestinal worms will occur and leading for the Pandu. Okay, in a very low socio-economical status, you can see this type of rogas. Person will have the krumi. Okay, so when person will have the intestinal or the GI helminthiasis, then he will not be having. He is eating good, but he is not having a good HV. Okay, because whatever you eat, so all the nutrition will be drained out to the krumi, and the person will become the enemy, and person will have the atisahara. Okay, krimi kosta and atisahara is seen in mridbhakshana janya. Okay, so this is a little bit about mridbhakshana janya pandu, and even in this we have the vataja mridbhakshana, pittaja and kafaja mridbhakshana, etc. Okay, is it understood mridbhakshana janya pandu? Any doubt? Is it clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is about Pandu Nidhanam. Then it's different sampraptis, it's Pura Rupa, and sorry, so it's Pandu introduction, then Pandu Nidhanas, Pandu Samprapti, different understanding of the sampraptis, then Pura Rupa, then the Lakshanas. Okay, so Lakshanas we
Sir,
have to go for. Yes.
sir, I have one doubt. How
Yes.
Karnashwari is related to Pandu?
How?
Karnashwari, sir. Lakshana. How is it related with Pandu?
No, I'm not getting properly. Tell me once again.
Sir, Karnashwari Lakshana. How is this related with Pandu?
Which Lakshana?
Karnashwari, sir.
Karnak.
Karnashwari.
Oh, okay. See, Karnakshveda. Okay, Karnakshveda means first thing that it is tinnitus. Okay, person will have the tinnitus in the palm. Still now, if you open the book of Harrison book, in anemia, person will have the tinnitus. Sometimes it is called as the anemic tinnitus. Okay, see, actual pathology of this tinnitus by anemia is not known, but they will tell that when the person has have the low HB, his power of his eardrum will not work properly. Okay, so his labyrinth and its production of the labyrinth and his eardrum will not work properly, and will start hearing some sound. And it is seen in very severe cases, severe case of anemia. We'll have this Karnakshveda, and it is also one of the lakshanas of Rasakshaya. Okay, see in Rasakshaya, person will have the Shabda Asaishnuta. Okay, same thing in here also, person will hear. First, there will be the Rasa is also Dushti is there, and there is an Rakta Dushti. If only Rasakshaya is there, person will feel aversion towards the sound. If still it is goes to the Raktakshaya, then person will feel the Karnakshveda. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So any doubt? So any doubt? So this shloka is most important. The last line shloka. Sa alparaktata alpamedaskata nissaraha shitilendriya. Vaivarnam bhajate tasyam hetu shunu sa lakshanam. Okay, so this is the lakshanas of Pandu. So any doubt? Still? This concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. See, if you have any doubt, okay, you can text also me, okay, to my number, or here also you can text, okay, or you can put the questions in the WhatsApp group also. No problem, you can answer. Okay, but keep studying about these things. Okay, so Panduroga is very very important. You can see these diseases, anemic patients. Lot of anemic patients you will see in the OPDs. Okay, for that only this is very very important. Okay, so hand up. Thank you. Hmm?
ಪ್ರದ್ಯುಮ್ನ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ರುದ್ರೇಶ.
ಹೇಳೋ ಗುರುವೆ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು?